Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make these detachable shoe clips. These are materials and measurements which I'll be using to create shoe clips. Now I'll show you how to make this shoe clip. First, I'm burning edges on a polka dot ribbon on each end so the edges don't fray. Next, I'm folding ribbon in half, marking the center, then applying hot glue in the center there, and folding ribbon edges to the center and gluing them together. Next, I'm applying a little dot of glue in the center of the ribbon, folding that in half so that both edges are open still, just the middle is glued. Next, I'm applying glue on one edge of the ribbon, folding that down like that. And applying a little bit glue on other side of the ribbon edge, folding that down again, pressing quite hard so it sticks. So it looks like that after I folded and glued those ribbon edges, and I'll repeat same process on other ribbon. Next, I'm applying hot glue in the center of the ribbon there and gluing other ribbon on top of that ribbon, and I'm creating a bow. Pressing both ribbons quite hard together so they stick properly. Next, I'm burning edges on this small black ribbon on both sides, and I'll attach this rhinestone buckle on this black ribbon. It looks like that. That's the left side and that's the right side. Next, I'm applying hot glue at the back of this bow there, and I'm gluing one side of this black ribbon at the back of this bow there, and I'm wrapping this black ribbon around the bow so the buckle is at the front, and I'm gluing other side of the black ribbon at the back of the bow there. So it looks like that. That's the front, that's the back. Next, I will sew on this metal shoe clip on this felt fabric using black cotton. Next, I'm cutting off excess felt fabric around the shoe clip. Next, I will glue on this metal shoe clip at the back of the bow. I'm applying hot glue on the felt fabric piece there. And I'm gluing on that shoe clip at the back of the bow, pressing quite hard so that shoe clip sticks properly on the bow. And my shoe clip is finished. If you have any questions how to make these shoe clips, please do comment down below in the comment box. Now I'll show you how I attach these shoe clips on my shoes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.